G'day everyone, it's James Foligno here from the Gold Coast Property Channel, and we're here for another week to bring you some of the Gold Coast sales and auction results. Like we do every week, we'll go through a snapshot of the clearance rates and then we'll get straight into it. So I'm just going to share my screen for you guys. This video, what we're doing is I've sort of changed it up a little bit. In the past, we were doing houses up to 750, just with what's happened on the Gold Coast property market and the 30% increase. It's sort of time for me to lift that price range. So now I've started a new video with apartments under 500K. This is the second video, which will be houses up to $1 million. And then we'll be doing another video of properties over $1 million from blocks of units, development sites, farms and houses as well. So we're going to get straight into it. Here we go. These are the clearance rates Australia-wide. As you can see, it's still very strong. There's been some media reporting saying suggestions that clearance rates have been dropping. As you can see, Victoria maybe has marginally dropped, but you have a look at this of the sales volume. You have a look at the auctions. They're having over 1,000 auctions a week, so that clearance rate may come down when you've got that kind of volume. And their total sales volume is at nearly 2,700 properties. It hasn't been there all year, so their market is certainly on fire. Same with New South Wales. They've got sales volume 2,700. And Queensland, we'll tap into it, 85%, so still very strong on the clearance rates. And total sales volume, again, having a look about 1,750 properties. So let's get straight into it. The first property we're going to look at is this one here. This is in Robina. This is 51 Parnell Boulevard. It was a townhouse. There's nobody corporate. Had a rental appraisal of $700 a week. It's 3-level. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's on the water. And this one here sold $730,000. The next one we're going to look at is this one here. This is at 60 Charlton Crescent in Ormo. It's a nice as new standalone home, 4-bed, 2-bath, accommodation for 4 cars. Brick and tile, it's rendered. And this one here, 593 square metre block. This one here in Ormo sold at $670,000. So good buying for a first home. Next one we're going to look at is in Pacific Pines. You got this double-storey home, smaller block of land, 458 square metres, backs onto a nice bush reserve. It's been rented to the same tenant for 6 years. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car home. And this one here sold $685,000. We're going to move a bit further south, a bit closer in. We've got this one in Southport. This was at 8 Norris Street. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1-car garage home. This one here, again, maybe someone's buying it for land value or to rebuild. This is on a 506 square metre block, and this one sold at $620,000. The next one we're going to look at is this one in Nerang. This one here was at 3 Bellew Crescent in Nerang. Lovely home. As you can see, really big block of land, 1,067 square metres, 3-bed, 1-bath, 2-car home. Really fully renovated, really lovely, lovely finish on the interior, really trophy home. And this one in Nerang sold at $750,000. We've got a couple more to get through at this lower range. Let's have a look at this one. We've got this one here. This was at 13 Glenhope Street in Upper Coomera. This was a brick and tile, 4-bed, 2-bath, double garage home. Good sized block of land, 681 square metres. Currently rented at $550 a week. This one sold at $600,000. We're going to move along. We've got this one here in Labrador. This was at 12 Reynolds Avenue, 34 square metre block. Dual set up for dual income, so dual income producing property, fruit trees to the rear, brick on the bottom level, double story, and this one here sold $830,000. Again, close to the Broadwater. It's good buying for a full-size block of land. Next one we're going to look at is in Helensvale. You've got this large home. This was at 2 Joel Court, had 563 square metres of land attached, double story. It's in the Monterey Keys estate. It's got a swimming pool, beautiful home. And this one here, 5-bed, 3-bath, 3 cars. And this one here sold at $830,000. The next one we're going to look at is this one here in Holywell. This was at 121 Columbus Drive. This was a brick and tile original home, 600 square metres. Again, ready to move into. You don't have to do much here. 3-bed, 2-bath, accommodation for 4 cars. And this one here in Holywell sold at $820,000. The last one we're going to look at in this price range is this one here. This was in Varsity Lakes. This was at number 4 Epstein Court. It was on 525 square meters of land, original home. Again, not too far from Robina Town Centre, but really good buying at $800,000. So they're the homes underneath $1 million. Again, we try and stick on that one with houses and with land content. We know that there's the land is becoming more and more scarce on the Gold Coast. So again, someone purchasing a house with a good land content, there's definitely going to be some more capital growth there. If you need any assistance with your buying, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Until next week, good luck with your property hunting. Thanks.